Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, what exactly is racketeering? You've probably heard the term in gangster movies, usually right before someone gets into trouble with the mob. But racketeering is a very real, and very serious, federal crime that goes far beyond old-school gangsters. In simple terms, it's not about a single illegal act, it's about engaging in a pattern of criminal behavior that is connected to an organization or enterprise. To truly understand it, you have to know about a powerful law called the RICO Act. That stands for the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act. Congress passed RICO back in 1970 with one main goal: to give prosecutors a tool to dismantle entire criminal organizations, not just prosecute individual low-level criminals. For someone to be charged with racketeering under RICO, a prosecutor needs to prove two key things. First, they must prove the existence of an enterprise. Now, an enterprise can be a formal organization like a corporation or a union, but it can also be an informal group of people associated for a common purpose, like a crime family, a street gang, or a group of corrupt politicians. Second, and this is the crucial part, they must prove a pattern of racketeering activity. This means the people in the enterprise committed at least two specific crimes from a long list of offenses within a 10-year period. These underlying crimes are called predicate acts. The list of predicate acts is extensive and includes everything from violent crimes like murder, kidnapping, and arson, to financial crimes like bribery, extortion, money laundering, mail fraud, and wire fraud. The key is that these crimes can't be random or isolated incidents. They must be related to each other or to the goals of the enterprise, showing a continuous way of doing business. This is why RICO is such a game changer for law enforcement. It allows prosecutors to connect the leaders of an organization, the bosses, to the crimes committed by their underlings, even if the bosses never got their own hands dirty. A crime boss who simply orders a hit or approves a fraud scheme can be held just as responsible as the person who carries it out. This makes it possible to take down the entire command structure of a criminal group. And while it was designed for the mob, today RICO is used against all sorts of organizations, including drug cartels, corrupt corporations, and political groups. The penalties are incredibly severe, often including decades in prison and the forfeiture of all assets gained through the criminal activity, meaning the government can seize everything. In short, racketeering is the crime of being part of an organization that consistently breaks the law to achieve its goals. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos breaking down complex topics.